started my trek journey from Mumbai. You can join the trek in a both way, like Dehradun to Dehradun or Sakri to Sakri. Better you book from Dehradun. We started our first journey by bus. I met all the new people, and you don't believe within some time, like we all become good friends, and we enjoyed a lot. On the way, we reached a village called Parula. It's the well-constructed village in the mountain. We had our lunch there. I suggest whenever you go, have food in a village, not on a road restaurant. End of the day, we reached Sakri by around 7 or 7:30, and then we all allocated with rooms. And then Lal Singh ji gave us the full briefing, like how entire trekking will be and everything in detail.
तो यहाँ से लेके वहाँ तक 3 किलोमीटर का ट्रैक है, ठीक है, और यहाँ से लेके जुड़ा तक जो ऑल्टीट्यूड हम 3000 फीट गेन करेंगे, ठीक है।
I guess it's now around 0 or -2 degree. Now it's around morning 9 o'clock and everyone is ready for the start trekking after having a breakfast. So our Josh is very high and we are ready to trek. Generally at the mountain you have to gain the 1000 feet at once, not more than that. But the problem is you will not get a campsite and water at all places. So the Kedarkantha, we are doing the force ascending. That means like within one day we are traveling or we are trekking more than 1000 feet. It's advisable to avoid the alcohol and smoking during the trek because this thing makes your body dehydrate. Hey Bharat, are you alive? This is the first campsite called the Upar Ka Mol, and altitude is around 9300 feet and temperature is about 0 to -2 -3 degrees. finally we completed our first day of trekking, and guys, it's amazing and I enjoyed a lot, but now I'm tired. Good morning, this is the morning scene. Today's first destination is Juda Ka Talab, and there is a frozen lake between the mountains.
न तूफानों से न ठंडी से रुके हैं हम, न तूफानों से न ठंडी से रुके हैं हम, बर्फ में आग लगाने चले हैं।
Out the Josh! Out the cold! Low! बाय बाय बाय। मॉर्निंग में सब लोगों को जो अपने आप में मतलब अच्छे टाइम से रेडी हो सकते हैं तो 2 बजे उठना है, 2:30 बजे ब्रेकफास्ट है और एग्जैक्टली 3 बजे यहाँ से मूव है। 3 बजे से नीचे 1 मिनट ऊपर ना नीचे, एग्जैक्टली 3 मिनट पहले यहाँ से निकल जाएगा 3 बजे, ठीक है। ये टो अप करके यहाँ पे सेटल करके देन टो डाउन हील अप, ऐसे पीछे से, फिर दोनों फिंगर से पीछे खींचना है ऐसे। तो ये टच करना माना नहीं है, ध्यान रखना।
वही डॉक्टर है, आपको ठीक कर देगा।
3 4
फेक डॉक्टर।
6 7 8 9 10। अब इसी को फास्ट करना है।
टन 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 टन।
अरे अरे भाई भाई भाई। अगर मिलेगा तो वहाँ से दोबारा फिलर चार्ज करेगा तो वहाँ से ले लेना जो भी है, बट अभी ये पहले अपना कोटा फिक्स रखना है, कितना सिपिंग में पानी पीना है। क्लियर है?
यस सर, ऑल क्लियर।
कूल।
It's too cold. This is the day for which we are waiting. Yeah, this is the summit day. We all are ready and excited for the summit. It's night, so torch is must. It's such an adventure. I never felt this much of cold in my life. Believe me guys, it's too cold.
दादा ने बचा।
It's too much than expectation and hope. It's amazing. I don't have word to explain this place. I don't have word to express my emotion. I say, go to Kedarkantha, feel it. I made the lifetime memory over here. Temperature is around -15, so it's too cold. But when sunlight is coming on your face, you will not feel that cold.